Good afternoon, dear friends. Once again, you are welcome to Mahanadi Times Media Productions. Today, we are in the locations that is most important locations. That is the flyover going to be inaugurated very soon by our government of Odisha. But today, we have shown you a dynamic importance of this area. You see, this is a place where you can find out more than 50 numbers of state and central government offices under 1 kilometer radius. Let I show you just in front of me that side, that is a district collectorate, and inside that collectorate there are more than 10 offices are working inside that collectorate. And near to that collectorate, this is the building. Earlier this was the telecom district manager, but now it has National Statistical Office. It is called National Statistical, and another telephone work also going on. Telephone, it's a department of telephones and telegraphs. You see that side, that is All India Radio. In single studio, two stations is going on there. One is you see that All India Radio, and second is FM stations. And I'll bring you there that side. Let I bring you to this side. Okay, this is the most important office here. That is the Revenue Divisional Commissioners, controlling more than 11 districts of Western Odisha. This is Northern Divisions RDC. And just to that side, that is another office is there. That is Deputy Director of Mines. And just some near distance, you can have another office there. That is DRDA, District Rural Development Agencies, under the control of District Collectorate. And let I take you to another site, dear friends. Just in front of me, that is Sahi Stambha, and that road is going on. That will be leading road to the Binakhandi. That is District Session Judge Court in left hand side. You can see in the right hand side there is a connecting point to the Chaurpur, and that is the building that is there. That is the most important location. It is house of our eminent poet of Assam, Lakshmikant Bejbarua. So I will take you to different office right now and show you more than 50 offices established by the both state and central government, and that is going on. And this flyover yet to be inaugurated, not been inaugurated due to some technical problems and land problems. There are some problems, so it has not been inaugurated. So let I take you to the different part of these locations. This is the club, you know, this is Mahanadi Club. This is an important club established before many years. And let's we go to that site. This road lead to Jalkhana Square, and you'll go to Dhanupali, and you will also go to the inside the city. And this is the area you can have the regional office, main branch of State Bank of India. This is the alternative dispute resolution center of judicial side. Just in front of me, this is the Bejbarua, Assami poet, old residence. Now it has been renovated. And through this part, you can go to district collector residence and our district superintendent of police residence also there in that side. And this is the court premises. Here you can find out many officers. Before that, I'll show you another part. This is the Mahanadi Club. You see, this is the Mahanadi Club. This is the Mahanadi Club area. And back to that Mahanadi Club, there are more than 10 offices are there. 10 offices means you can find out the Deputy Registrar of Cooperative, the Commercial Tax Officer, the Appellate Authority of Commercial Tax, Deputy Commissioner, Assistant Commissioners, then after Postmaster General, and the Senior Superintendent of Post Office, many officers inside there. And if you go to that side state, There is Board of Secondary Education regional office is there, far away, just far away from here. And if you go to this SBI backside, you can have state printing and stationery, state press, Odisha government press is there inside that downside. So let I tell you, this is a place, it is a place where you can have all offices of the state government and central government in a single location. That is really exclusive, and nowhere in the country you can find out this much offices. Here you see, just to my right, this is the office of Superintendent of Police, District Superintendent of Police, and to my left, this is District and Session Judge. And you go to state, there are many offices. One by one I will tell you. Just few distance, district civil supply office. Then after district statistical office inside that, district measure office is there, district weight and measure office also there. And back to this SP office you can find out the CSI office, okay. And just front you can find out our district bar associations building. In both sides there are buildings of our bar. You see the constructions of bar, just our reception center is there, that is a old building, and this is absolutely more old than this. This is new construction going on for the advocate communities, and this is also a building constructed by judicial department for the benefit of the clients as well as for the litigants and advocates. And there is a cafeteria, a bar, and if you go straight, that will lead to Binakhandi. And to my left hand side there is a PNT colony, and to my right side through this road we can go to many offices and court. You can find out one court here, that is family court, most important. Just go straight, that is a family court. And this part is the court of registrations and marriage. This is also a office of election. Earlier it was election office, and presently also it is election office, you see. And this part is a Tahsil office. It is the back side of Tahsils. And District Sainik Board office also here, and you see Integrated Child Development Office also here, and this is the family court, and this is most important office. You may say this is the honorable member second MSCDs, okay. And just if you go to the right side, it is a Tahsil office, Sadar, Sambalpur. District Social Welfare Office here, and there is a office of Command Area Development Agencies, CADA, that is the office, CADA office. And to the front side, that is CSI. And this is the also office of Special Officer MADA, you see. This is CSI office. All cases from the police stations before come to court came to this office, and court sub inspector CSI will put all the records before the honorable court. This is the front gate of SP, Sambalpur SP, and there is office of DIB, District Information Bureau, is also inside that. And I will take you to the district treasury office. This is also road of district collector residence, and this road also lead to sub collector Sambalpur. Just in front of that, to my right side, you can see there are some abandoned jeeps. That is the district record room. All records from more than 500 to 600 years is available there. And to my left side, that is district treasury office. And earlier this is the office, this was the office of RTO, but now it has been closed down. Just to my front, this is the district excise office, and to my right side, this is the labor court. And if you see just front to the building, new building, that is the sub collector Sadar Sambalpur, and this is also election office. And this is the most important, this is the office of endowment. It is the commissionerate office of endowment. This is newly constructed in the budget of more than 1 crores. That is Sambalpur sub collector, and just in front of me, that is the office of Deputy Director Consolidation and Holding Sambalpur, and this is also office of Executive Magistrate and Deputy Collectors, Deputy Assistant Collectors. Just front is that is the collector residence, Sambalpur District Collector and Magistrate residence, and this was constructed before many years when the British govern and rule our country, and it was their plan. They have established these offices in peripheral area under the 1 kilometer radius. You'll be having all office for the betterment of the general public. This area was developed, and it is a so height place, and it was the one type of thoughts and ideas of British government. Then after our government, after independence, our government developed and also established many new offices. So it is the most important, and I think it is only place in the country that more than 50 offices is working, both central and state government offices working in a single areas of radius of 1 kilometers. It is really dynamic, and really it is unique in itself. If you go to the front, there is a Sahistambha that has been dedicated to all the martyrs who have done great sacrifice for the motherland, and we urge government, let this place should be developed more, and digitally it has been some electronics board should be displayed in the front of the gate of entrance, so that people will know how many offices are working and where is the locations. Thank you very much.